Hey chiggies, Tammy here from Oh My Gosh Polish. Yes, I am really sorry. To start with, I just want to apologise. It has been such a long time since I've been over here. I've been very busy since I've been gone. I have, well, most of you know, got a full-time job over here, like over here in the real world. So I have a full-time job, but I have also been doing some pretty exciting things in the background of nail art, or well, nails, nail polish, all of that sort of stuff. I have actually, with the help of a wonderful team, created a nail art brand. Now, one snag with that is that I have to change my name. It was Oh My Gosh Polish, and I love that name. It's been the same. I've had the same name since the very beginning, but I'm going to have to change it because there are legal issues in the great country of the USA. Could not get a copyright on that name, so therefore, I mean, I wouldn't have been able to bring my nail polish to anywhere, really, I don't think. I wish I'd done it a few years ago, but I never did. So now, you know, big regrets on that because I do love that name. But the new name, I will let you know about that. But I'm really excited for you to see the nail polishes that I've created with my team. As I'm a very important person, I've got a team now. So we're going to be rolling out all of this stuff. Going to be very exciting. Initially, we can only sell our nail polish in America right now, but we will be expanding to other places, including my home country, once we get established in America. For some reason, just, you know, the way of the world, America is the place where everything has to start, unfortunately. So we're doing that, and just to let you know, the name is changing. I hope you like it. I wasn't sure to begin with, but then I thought, I actually kind of like it. And now I really do love it. So I hope you'll like it or love it just as much as I do. And I hope you are ready for some really exciting things in the future. Anywho, without further ado, the new name of my nail polish brand, and this will include Instagram and YouTube and Twitter and all of the social medias, will be or is Talk to the Hand Polish. I can hear you all laughing. I can hear you all clapping your hands again. What a brilliant idea. I mean, if you don't like it just yet, just wait. It'll grow on you. That's what it did with me. I wasn't 100% on board, but now I am, and I really, really like it. So now, don't worry, I am going to be doing nail art in this video. I'm actually going to do nail art in this video inspired by the background picture you see on your screen right now. It's a simple and easy thing to do, and I think it looks really cool. Anyway, let's get into it. I hope you like it. Okay, so obviously we're starting off with a white base. I'm just using Sally Hansen's, oh gosh, it's been such a long time, I can't remember what it's called. Bonsaye, of course. I don't have a white polish yet, but I am going to get one, and it's going to be a one coater, I guarantee that. But right now, don't have one, unfortunately. So obviously, I think it's probably, you know, for old time's sake, should give you a clean-up porn. So here you go. For those of you who don't enjoy my clean-up porn, by all means, skip ahead now. Although, why would you want to? Okay, so once your once your nail cleanup is done, you can go ahead and cover all of that beautiful white polish with a top coat. Now, the first shade that I'm using is from my new collection. I really hope you like this, to be honest. I really do. Now, the next one I'm going to be using today is this beautiful pastel green. I really like it. Then the pink, it's a very, very light pink, it's almost a white pink. And then the yellow, the grey, and the pastel purple. So we're going to start off with a dotting tool. Now, obviously once the top coat has dried. Now we're going to use the dotting tool just to guide the polish around and make it look like a splodge. Splodge will be fine. I don't know. I'm not sure if it's a word. Yeah, that's a word, definitely. This is a beautiful pastel green, which I love. I'm not usually a massive fan of green polishes, but I love pastel greens. I absolutely love them. Now, next we're coming in with that super duper light pink. So cute. I really like that. That's very nice just by itself. It's a bit sheer by itself on a blank nail. Then we're going with just this yellow polish, which is a light yellow polish with a little bit of shimmer in it. It's really pretty. This is one of my favourites. It's a very dark grey. I really, really like it. And then finally, we're going to be putting in, after we put that on there, then we're going to come in with the pastel purple. And again, I'm just using some of the colours or some of the shade-ish types that were in that background image. And then I'm also just adding, with a very, very fine touch, just a couple of little dots of each of the colours in and around where they are placed. Just sort of bring the whole thing together. I really like it. I hope you try this because it's actually super easy and I think looks kind of cool, if I do say so myself. And once you've finished with your design, you're going to have to wait a little bit before you top coat it. I waited 2 cups of tea worth just to be on the safe side. And then I added a layer of Seche Beach over that beautiful design that I made, if I do say so. So I really do like it a lot. I mean, I really like it. But yeah, Seche Beach is a really good top coat to put over the top of this one because the polish is kind of thick. But that's the end result. I really hope you like it. And please don't be shy, let me know what you think in the comments down below. But it's not an exact match of it, but I think it looks pretty close. And that's it, chickies. I really hope you like this one, and I am hopeful that you're happy that I'm back. If you're not, that's fine too. I'm not offended, I promise. You stay tuned for lots and lots of news and check the links in the description box. Thank you. See you later. Bye.